So awesome! Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Super Mario coloring page. Ta-da! I hope you guys follow along with me and you need something to do with markers, yellow papers, and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I will get started right now. Okay, so today I'm gonna color in the picture of the Mario riding a motorbike. Let's start on Mario first. He has blue eyes and his skin is light tan. And his hair is brown. Let's color in his hat red with the blue glasses on it. And let's also color in his shirt red. And his overalls are blue with yellow buttons. And I finished color in Mario. Next let's color in his motorbike, gray and green. Let's color in the headlight yellow and the wheel of black. And let's make the smoke in the backside gray. And I'm all finished coloring in the picture. And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture picture turned out so colorful. Mario just looks so cool, right? And I love his motorbike. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun with my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun video every single day. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.